Today I will be reading Psalm 2. Why are the nations so angry? Why are the people making useless plans? The kings of the earth prepare to fight. Their leaders make plans together against the Lord and his appointed king. Let's break the chains that hold us prisoners. Let's throw off the ropes that tie us, the nations say. But the Lord in heaven laughs. He makes fun of them. Then the Lord warns them. He frightens them with his anger. He says, I have appointed my own king. He will rule in Jerusalem on my holy mountain. Now I will tell you what the Lord has declared. He said to me, You are my son. Today I have become your father. If you ask me, I will give you the nations. All the people on earth will be yours. You will make them obey you by punishing them with an iron rod. You will break them into pieces like pottery. So kings, be wise, rulers, learn this lesson. Obey the Lord with great fear. Be happy, but tremble. Show that you are loyal to his son. Otherwise, you will be destroyed. He can quickly become angry, but happy are those who trust him for protection.